Hola mis amores. Look at this. Have you guessed what it is? This mold comes from Boo and Nicole, with casing and all. I love this mold. Their quality is exceptional. I've already measured it by filling it up with water, so I know I need this much. Now to choose colours. If I could, I'd use all of them. Colours are like sweets for me. They make me so happy. But I'm going to be sensible and choose 3 colour combinations. These are all from Homeware Designs. I'm going for pinks, purples and black and white. I will also be using this floating silver pigment from Just For You Online. I have here my Eco Pour from Just For You Online, and this will be my first marbling technique. I'll be going for 2 types of purple. Pour your water into the Eco Powder. Watch it bubble and fizzle. Love this stuff. And mix it all up till you get a creamy consistency. Try to get all the gloops mixed. Remember, we don't have much playtime, so mix everything as quickly as you can. This is ready, and I'm going to use the rainbow purple for the base colour. It's up to you how dark you want it. It's best that the second colour we add to be darker than the base colour. I love purple, but don't worry if there are streaks, as it will add to the effect at the end. Now I'm going to add a few drops of amethyst. This part is crucial. As you can see, I'm not mixing the pigment. What I'm actually doing is pushing the pigment into the base with my stirring stick. Just push it, don't stir it. Pour your mix into your mould and tap it to get air bubbles to dissipate. Don't be scared to get your fingers in there. It's safe, I promise you. Keep pouring till you fill your mould up completely and tap it like you mean it. Then leave it to cure. For the purpose of the video, I have only left it to cure for 40 minutes. And I'm being naughty. So let's demold this beauty. Personally, I prefer to leave them to cure at least 2 hours. Is this cute or what? I love the old tool, and there you have the first technique to marbling. For this second technique, I'll be using white, black and silver. I'm placing a few drops of black into a pot and a small spoonful of the silver into another pot. Add a small amount of water to each pot and mix. This silver pigment looks like mercury. Get your powder ready and pour your water. Mix it all in well. The base colour will be white, but before I add the white pigment, I'm going to add some of the mixture into the silver and the black pot. With the rest of the mixture, I'm going to add a few drops of white. Now it's time to be ambidextrous. And we are going to pour 3 colours simultaneously. And I say this because I only have 2 hands. Do the same as before. Tap the mould to eliminate trapped bubbles and pour all the mixture with your stick. Swirl the colours inside the mould just a little bit. I wish I had made a lot more silver and a lot less black. One to remember. I'm going to unmold this, but I do advise you to leave it longer to cure. This casing is brilliant, as it keeps the mould in firmly and you don't get wonky pieces. Another great thing about EcoPour is that any overpour just snaps right off. The weight is also a plus. especially if you need something to be strong and sturdy. Oh, and the feel, it's just so yummy and silky soft. Yep, definitely a lot less black and a whole lot more silver, but you get the gist. For this third marbling technique, we are going for pinks. There are many ways to marble, just play around and have fun. You're going to need 2 cups, one for a pink and one for a silver. Add a small amount of water to the cups and some pigment. Remember that when you're using the same color tone, one needs to be lighter or darker than the other. This time I'm going in with Let's Resin Metallic Silver. Mix your powder and water like before and add some into each cup. I'm aiming for 3 cups with more or less the same amount of mixture in each one. For the third cup, I'm adding this pink pigment, which is a ruby. The other one was a passion. This last one, I'm not completely mixing in the pigment. That way it leaves some streaks. You now need a clean cup as we are going to do a dirty pour. Drop into the clean cup a bit of each colour, then repeat till you finish all the mixture from the pigment cups and they are all in the new cup. Then give it a little swirl with your stick and pour it into your mould. Make sure to tap your mould. If you do this method, you need to work fast. A lot faster than me, as the mixture is already curing and it will leave air pockets. I'd like to take this moment to give a big koala hug to my subscribers. Love you lots. And for those who are new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, let's unmold this cutie. Moo, love the colour. Shame I didn't work faster, as I did get a few air pockets. But they're at the bottom, so I'm okay with that. Before I sand any rough edges and add my wax, I'm going to add a few things to the purple one, which is for me. This is optional. I'm using a chrome pen for the windows and a few embellishments, and some white UV resin with sparkles to the lights. You can decorate EcoPore, which is fun, or just leave it as it is, which is also very beautiful. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!